how to ask for a raise. So this is something that's constantly on professionals' minds. They're thinking about it, they're talking about it. The biggest thing to do, guys, is to ask. You're never going to get a raise if you don't ask. Very rarely is a company going to come to you, aside from the annual couple percent cost of living increase. They're not going to come to you and just give you a raise out of the blue. More often than not, you're going to have to ask for it. So don't be afraid to ask, but let's do it in the right way. First of all, make it a conversation with the person that you report to. Sit down with them, let them know that that's your goal, that you're looking to get a raise, but ask them what you can do to earn that raise. Establish a timeline. It's one thing to march into your boss's office and demand a raise today. Probably not going to be the most successful strategy. Instead, give it some time. What can I do in the next couple months to get this raise? This is the salary I'm at. This is the salary I'd like to be at. What can I do between now and 2 months from now to earn that in your eyes? And put a plan together. A lot of times, if you can provide more value and you can prove that you're providing more value, and then your boss can see you working towards that and being successful at that over a certain amount of time, they're going to be much more likely to give you that raise. But having that conversation is going to be good, because both sides are going to be very clear on what they're after and what they'd like. The person you report to is probably going to look for increased productivity, having a more dramatic impact on things, showing leadership, things like that. So you're able to provide more value, which in turn makes you more valuable, which enables you to earn the raise. A lot of people get confused and think that tenure automatically means raise. It does to a degree. You should be becoming better and better at your job every day and every week and every year. But at the same time, it's not everything. So sometimes asking the person you report to, what are some of the things that you can work on to make yourself more valuable, is in a large portion what you need to do to put yourself on a path to get that raise. So go in, be patient, treat it like a conversation, and ask what you can do to earn that raise, and a lot of times you're going to come out ahead.